Alright, what's up guys? So this is Christmas vlog 1, and before we start I want to wish you Merry Christmas and also thank you for watching this video. So in this vlog I'll be showing you the ham and turkey we made for this year and also the season, a bit of the seasoning process as well. But just to let you guys know, I'm not a big fan of ham, I love turkey. So I want to know if you guys prefer ham or turkey. Please drop your comment below, and also if this is your first time on this channel, please like this video, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys soon. Okay guys, so turkey has been cleaned, mixed with lemon and also vinegar, and now it's about to be seasoned. Remember to season your turkey. Yeah. So basically it's all seasoned up now, and as you can see, it looks amazing, right? So the next video is gonna be the ham, so just don't forget to keep watching the video, and see you soon. Alright guys, so at this moment we are just boiling the ham just to flash cook it, and also to decrease the salt, and then I'll see you guys on to the next stage. So keep watching. Alright guys, so it's a wrap, and I want to say thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Also, just to let you know, I'll be dropping another vlog which is on the 27th of this month, the main Christmas vlog. So subscribe, please subscribe not to miss the content, and also I wish you happy Merry Christmas.